Hey guys, welcome to Large Scale RC. I got this package here delivered from Germany from rccaronline.de and I'm going to unbox it. Okay, so it's a surprise. Once I take it out, then you'll know what this is. Put this instruction. All the decals. rccaronline.de. Spoiler. Bag with the parts inside. Some upgrades. I'll show you in a moment. Once I take this out. Let's take it out. It's a Beetle. Okay, so I put my hand down here, and you put your hand down behind that suspension. Take it out, put it on that table. Oh, we didn't clear the table. Okay, just put it right here. Take this out from the way. Okay, so I'll tell you what this is. It's an FG 4-wheel drive monster Beetle, brand new. So this is an FG 4-wheel drive monster Beetle from Germany. I bought it from rccaronline.de. These are the decals, the stickers from the website. Also I got the instruction manual with it. And I got the ring. It goes right down here. Right. You can see the two holes right here, two on the left, two on the right. So this goes right on the top right here. Got some a bag for the transmitter. So, but I do have some upgrade parts for the monster Beetle. This one right here. All in there. I got the tune pipe as well from FG. Got the servos. Okay, so this right here is one more time. It's a FG Monster Beetle 4-wheel drive, brand new. And what happened was when I ordered it back in 2021, it was at my friend's house in Nuremberg, and it just took a while to get to me. I mean, this package was supposed to be delivered in the same month, but it went to UK. From UK, it came back to my country, and then I got it like 2 days ago. So I like FG because it's made in Germany, and because it has all the quality parts. You can see I'm a big fan of FG. I do have other FG like 4-wheel drive monster truck, 2-wheel drive martyr. I got some sports line, Mercedes and a BMW body, and so this is like I think I got like 6 FGs already in my hobby room, and this is my like 7th or 8th FG. So yeah, so It doesn't come with the servos because I want to install my own servos. It doesn't come with the transmitter because I want to install my own transmitter. Other than that, it comes with the 26cc Changyang engine. Then it comes with the factory pipe, the carburetor with the choke. I already got the tune engine for it. I got the tune pipe in that bag right there, and some more upgrade parts. Like I'm gonna upgrade this buggy to its like the finest, like the best part that it has after the market part. Like they carry the same website carry where I bought it from. So yeah, I'm gonna take the body off for you guys. Something happened on the way while it delivered. I mean, I show you guys right now. I'm gonna take these body clips off, take the body off. I'll show you what happened. Okay, so now you just lift it. So look at the paint job, the decals, look. I love this paint job. So this is how it looks. Put this on the side and I'll show you the engine. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, like I said, Changyang, I think you guys can see right there, Changyang right there, right down there. So 26cc with the stock pipe, carburetor with the choke, air filter. I like this FG air filter. I won't change this, but I'm definitely gonna change the engine, the pipe, and the carburetor. I do have the alloy, the clutch bell carrier, where the pinion and the spur gear goes. I do have the hydraulic brakes for the rear, hydraulic brakes for the front from Mechatech. So right now this is all factory. As you can see, it's all factory. This is how you get. But when you order, you can order them servos with it, and you can order your transmitter with it. Then you can say it comes ready to run. But I don't like the servos that it comes with, so it's better to install your own. And I don't like the transmitter that it comes with, so you get your own. And I want to tell everybody that whenever you guys buy 1/5 scale cars, also get a kill switch, because these cars can run away. I mean, when you lose the signal, if it goes far away and you just get no signal and it just runs away, and then you'll end up crashing it somewhere, and then your investment will go all, wastage. So it's better to get the kill switch. It's better to get them upgrade parts when you buy something like this. You can see it has look at the quality. Look at these beefy plastic parts it comes with. I love the quality of FGs. I prefer FGs. They're very good in making the best RC cars, and they only make 1/5 scale. And you can get the same model in electric. You can get the same model in engine, and you can change the engine. You can when you order, you can change them the engine if you want, like the Speed Tech. They offer a Speed Tech engine, tuned engine. Now I got one already. It's a 30cc, and that engine is the whole price of this car, almost 1,000 euro above, and this one is like 1,200. So I got the HT edition. This monster truck. I got a buggy. I got the HT edition. In HT edition, it comes with the 2 pinion gear, 1 engine mount, 1 spur gear, the aluminum carrier, the spur gear cover. Like, I don't know what you call it. It's a cover, or you can say it's a fitting part. And then it comes with the differential alloy differential housing in the rear and in the front. What else? So what happened, I want to tell you guys what happened during the delivery. I forgot to tell you guys that when it got delivered, you guys not gonna like this, but I'll show you guys. Look at that right there. See that? It bent. Somebody probably throw this package like on the floor, and this is what happened. So that's the reason I'm having a hard time rolling this. Look, because I know there's a belt down there. There's a belt tunnel that goes towards the front, and this is where it all messed up. But I get this fixed. It's not a big problem. I get this fixed. It's very easy to fix. I just need to take everything apart from the rear, and I'll fix it, put it back on. But what I'm gonna do when I put it back on, I'm gonna install all the upgrades. So you got pull start in the back. See how it has this part that it holds down to. You can start from the back. So yeah, beefy shocks. Look at that. Suspension is good. I like that. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is where the steering survey goes. This is where the steering, hold on. Let me focus. Okay, so this is where the steering servo goes, and that's where the throttle and brake. And this is the receiver box, and the battery is right down there. This the battery goes right here. I like the fuel line, they're big. That's the Zenova original. I like that. Genuine. Look at that tank, it's all white. Yeah. So that's how it looks. I think that's a 27cc, or is it a 26cc engine? But I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, I think it's a 27cc. I believe it's a 27. It says on it. I think it says on it. Yeah. It's hidden behind this sticker. So I did buy the servo saver in alloy. I got a bunch of alloy parts for this. I'm gonna upgrade this thing to the max. You guys gonna see the way it's gonna run eventually. It's gonna be the fastest FG, hopefully. It's wide. It's almost the same size like DBXL. It's almost the same size. Look at that bumper. See the chassis from the bottom. Show you the front suspension. See that? Look at that. Nice. So I got the tune pipe in there. got the engine mounts. I got them the fuel line. This part right here. That's some nice great parts. Look at that. That's the thing I was telling you. Yeah. So in HD edition, you do get the for the what do you call this? Let's say it in German. Bushes, I guess. Alright, so yeah. And I gotta organize my hobby room, so I show you guys in my hobby room how they look like. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching, and this is it. I'm gonna put the body back on. Yeah, I love this Beetle, man. This looks good. I got like 4 sets of tires, on-road, off-road, but I like the tires it comes with. I like the wheels. They're beautiful. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I get back to you guys with them upgrades on it, and I'll show you the running video very soon. The weather is getting hot, but I'm gonna be making some videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I got back to you guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you.